Guys, the best thing of the video of I am tomato. Yeah. Just look at this.
I-try nyo itong OPP.
Naubos mo yun. Huwag ka naman umigaw.
Guys, it's time for face reveal. But why? That's not clickbait, bro. I'm not a tomato in real life, but is me? Is that me? No. Because without type of face reveal. Yeah. I don't have a bike. Why is that me? Only swords, not face reveal. And you see my face in videos. Yes. See you later, guys.